Hey everybody, in lesson 2 of this problem on inclined planes, we calculated the force of effort and we came up with a solution for the force of effort to be 19.61 pounds. So now, once you get the force of effort and you know the force of resistance, you can use this formula right here for calculating the actual mechanical advantage. You can simply divide the force of resistance by the force of effort. So we know that we're trying to move 100 pounds, and now we know that it'll take 19.61 pounds of effort to start this 100-pound crate moving up the ramp. So it's a simple equation, 100 divided by 19.61. So the solution to our problem then becomes 5.09. Okay, so now we know we have an IMA, an ideal mechanical advantage. And since we're in equilibrium, that's exactly the amount of weight that would take to start moving the weight. Actually, it wouldn't start moving. It was, if you'd have to have like 19.62 to have enough weight to begin the movement. So right now we're in equilibrium, and we know that because AMA and IMA are exactly the same. And we need to take the formula for efficiency and divide them out, and of course, since they're exactly the same, this solution's just going to be 1. So this is the equation, the mechanical advantage calculations for an inclined plane. To go through the steps one more time, every time you do a problem, make sure you start out by writing down the entire formula. Once you've written down the formula, then drop down below it and write out the formula again, this time substituting what you know for the letters. So in this case we don't know AMA. After you do the substitution, then you calculate it and solve. So all those steps, every single time, prove that you know how to do it by showing every step, even the stuff that you plug into the calculator. Write it down as you're plugging into the calculator so that the teacher can know that you know how to do it, and it gives you reinforcement and confidence in your ability to not only do it on the calculator, but know what you're doing on the calculator. Believe me, when you get into the upper math classes, it's going to help you tremendously when you're proactively writing all of your stuff down. So we write all the stuff down, and then for this math problem, we had to first use Pythagorean's theorem, and we said 60 feet was a squared, 12 feet was b squared, and we came up with a solution using Pythagorean's theorem, 61.19 feet for the length, or c, of our triangle. Once we came up with that, then we were able to calculate the force of effort at 19.61 using our equilibrium formula, and that was F of E times D of E equals F of R times D of R. And once we did that and we had F of E, then we could figure out AMA, which is the force of resistance divided by the force of effort. And we also knew the distance of effort, divided in by the distance of resistance for IMA. So I know that's a lot to go over, so I would recommend that you watch these videos a couple of times to come up with and feel confident with all of these types of problems. So good luck with this, and please check out my website, techteach.com.